everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this meal, continue watching. So first you would start off with fresh steak, washed. The first thing I do is apply olive oil. I put a little bit too much, so I just use that to cover up both of the meat. These are my ingredients that I use for the meats, plus seasoning salt. I didn't show that, but I used that. So the first thing I'm going to do is use salt to cover both sides. Salt is the first ingredient that I use because it's the most basic ingredient. So I go ahead and rub and pat the salt in on both sides. Now I use my black pepper and I season both sides as well. Like I told you, I'm using the basics to start off my prep. Make sure you rub it in. Onion powder, so basically I will be doing these same steps with different seasoning. Slap your mama, that's the best. This is my favorite ingredient to use, my honey garlic rub. So basically I just pat that in, make sure that I am seasoning it as good as I can. Next ingredient is brown sugar. I love brown sugar because it gives you that sweet organic taste, but not too heavy. So basically, yes, I just rubbed that in as well. I was trying to make sure that my sauce and my steak food had a little sweet taste to it because that was how my sauce was going to be. Still patting in that brown sugar. Look at that. Look at that. Looks spectacular. So I think I went in with the last ingredient, which was complete. I had to complete the meal, child. This is how the meat looked after all of the seasoning. Looks great. I'm gonna put that in the fridge for at least 2 hours. We'll start off with fresh shrimp. Start off by seasoning it with salt. Like I told you, salt is the first ingredient that I use because it's the basic, salt and pepper. After I'm done, I let it marinate for an hour. I'm gonna start off with my broccoli. Went ahead and cut it, and now I'm washing it up. All right, I have my heat on medium to high. Start off with my butter in the pan. So I'm about to show you how I make my sauce for my steak. Those are the ingredients. I start off with the butter and the garlic. And honey. So it's like a honey garlic type of vibe. All right, and I add my Italian seasoning. This is how it should look once you mix it all together. Checking on my steak. This is how it looks so far. And now I'm going to start on my broccoli by putting it on a medium to high level. I'm adding salt. Steak check. I'm going to go ahead and add my broccoli. And butter. I'm gonna take my steak out and add that special salt mixture that I made into a pan, into the same pan I used to make the steak. Add more honey. And then add the shrimp. Let it cook for a while. Now it is time to season the broccoli. Add a little more butter, black pepper, onion powder, seasoning salt, and that's it. Checking on my shrimp. It looks like it's done. I'm going to add a little more Italian seasoning. And then add the steak back in the pot, and that same butter, garlic, honey, and Italian seasoning spread, I spread it on the steak. With a little of drizzle of honey. So I'm gonna start off with my potatoes. I already added butter, salt, black pepper, onion powder, those are my favorites, seasoning salt, mix that in and add some more Italian seasoning and bacon bits. Last ingredient is cheese. Okay guys, this is the final meal. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this meal. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.